Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can get unlimited months in Rebel Racing in 2023. All you have to do to get in our account unlimited money is Rebel Racing mod, and this tutorial I will show you how you can download and install for Android, also in iOS device. So all you have to do, we must download this mod. Where to download? Open this website, select our device and press our nickname. The next step is press button download and we wait. The Rebel Racing mod is download and installed in our device. So we wait for finish this process, and yeah, that's it, it's end. And as you can see, our mod is already installed in our device. So we open it, and all you have to do in this mod, we must enter amount of money as we want. In my case is unlimited, and press button go. Now in this step our money will be added to our account. So we wait, and that everything is working and we have unlimited money. Thank you for watching. Bye.